walking to the new concourse. It's all shared space, everything level. Now, no curbs. There's cars straight ahead. Footpaths. There's the raised area. Here's the crossing point here. So I think we're on the opposite side now. On the way to the bus interchange. Now, it appears that the road is level with the footpath and they've stuck bollards in. More bollards. So I'll just follow across here. See, is there a guiding strip? More bollards. So there's car parking on either side of the footpath. Another bollard. Another crossing point. All level. Another tactile there. So I assume that's a zebra crossing. It's all level. There's a raised crossing. So we're going forward now. There's a bit of a planted area here. So now, I can hear buses, so I'm just gonna hopefully go out to the curb edge here. There's the curb edge there. So just gonna follow this. So there's the bus stop pole and the accessible curbing. Number 1, that's bus stop number 1. That's sloped downwards, so we've gone from an accessible curb to a normal path. And we're doing touch and drag. We're using the cane over the curb edge. And it's curving to the right. So this must be bus stop number 2. And accessible curb is restarted. So it's bus stop number 2. So I assume bus stop number 3 will curve in shortly. So that's the end of the accessible curving. Now we're back to a normal curb on the left hand side. And there's a curve again, so this must be bus stop number 3. We've got our accessible curbing under the pole, but there's nothing on it. So we've an accessible curb. Keep following it. And the accessible curb is gone. We're back now to a normal curb. So I'm using touch and drag going over the curb edge. And I think we seem to be curving again. So we're curving again, and that's a crossing point. So there seems to be 3 bus stop bays on either side of the bus stop interchange. So I'm over the curb edge. I've turned around the corner on the other stop of the big bus stop island. Oh yeah, we're definitely doing a 270-degree turn here. So I'm over the curb edge again. Accessible curb is shown up. It's another bus stop. So bus stop number 1 on the opposite side. Accessible curbing on my left. And we've just passed the first bus stop pole. Accessible curbing has finished. And we're back to the normal curb. So it'll probably twist to the right like a bus stop bay. Yeah, it does. So this is number 2. So I'm at the curb edge again, touch and drag, cane over the edge, and our accessible curb started. So that's bus stop number 2 with the bus stop carousel. So accessible curbing ends. Back now to a normal curb. That was bus stop number 2 behind us. So it should curve again shortly, which it does. So this is bus stop number 3 on the opposite side. And there are 6 in total at this stop. So our accessible curb will probably start shortly. It does. There's a bus stop pole. There's a carousel on it. And if I keep following this, it'll stop in a few moments. And now we're back to a normal curb edge. So if I continue, we'll probably have our crossing point to the Liffey Valley Shopping Centre coming up shortly. Unfortunately, I've no way of knowing which bus stop is what. I assume the one on my left are the ones back towards the city centre. So we're turning a corner and now we've reached a crossing point. So you can feel the blister. Oh no, I'm fine. I'm all good. Yeah, 100%. But you're very good. Thanks very much. Thank you. So we're just going ahead here. Now, so that's kind of a planted area with poles. Now where the waiting area is, I'm not sure. Well, we're covered anyway, that's the main thing. There's a canopy overhead, but where seating and stuff is, maybe it lines up against the accessible curb. Oh, here's the seating. So the seating is outdoors. We've got another, there's an internal waiting area. Well, there is, you can wait inside, sit down. Yep. And there's another one over here, another area to sit down, but it has handles on it. So I'll just walk through here and see what's here. Now, let's see, somebody there. So keep going. Now, here's our wall. Gotcha. Outside now. Now, so some of the seating, you could sit there. Not sure there are any places to charge your phone if it was low on power. This is kind of a knee height. You could sit on it, yeah. And the soil in there as well, so it's like a raised bed, but knee height. Kind of surface around it. So that's it. We can turn a corner. Okay. Now we're back in the room again. So